dears! Today I want to share my thoughts on the Milani Stay Put Matte Eyeliner. I've been using this eyeliner for a while now, and I have to say, I really enjoy it! One thing to note is that this eyeliner comes with a broad felt tip, which means it's perfect for creating thicker lines, but it might be a bit challenging to draw thin lines. Also, the tip is a bit stiff, so it may be harder to move around. But once you get the hang of it, you'll love the intense black matte color it gives. It's perfect for creating bold looks that really make your eyes pop. One thing I love about this eyeliner is that it's long-lasting and doesn't smudge even with the surgical mask on. A lot of eyeliner smudge on me, but not this one. Now, the downside is that this eyeliner isn't waterproof, so you might want to be careful when you're out and about on the rainy days or when you tear. But overall, I really enjoy using this eyeliner and will definitely repurchase it, especially with discount. That's it! Hope this is helpful for you dears. Please subscribe to my channel for more beauty content. See you in my next video.